Hello, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be learning how to see the usage of apps on our Android smartphone. Knowing the statistics will let us know how to utilize our phone or how to limit the usage of an app for your kids if you are a parent. We will also see the battery consumption of our apps on our smartphone, which will help us understand what is draining our battery. To see the usage of apps on our Android smartphone, we simply have to go to our phone settings. Here we will see different options. What we want to do is scroll down and look for digital well-being. As we can see, we now have the statistics of the apps on our phone, like how long we've been using the phone today and what apps we have used. It also indicates the most used app. If we want detailed information, we just have to hit dashboard. Now we can see the exact time we've spent on every app. We can also see the stats from the previous days and so on. Now, if you are a parent and want to limit the usage of an app for your kids so they won't abuse it, just tap the hourglass button. And then you will see the app timer. You can set the timer how long you want it to be. I will set it to 30 minutes. And then as we can see, we now have set the timer to 30 minutes. If you want to remove it, just hit the hourglass button again and click delete timer. If you click the app, you will see a detailed information of that app's screen time. Today, we have spent 1 hour and 54 minutes on our phone. Today, we have spent 1 hour and 54 minutes on TikTok. And yesterday, I have spent 1 hour and 20 minutes on TikTok with this phone. To see the battery usage of our apps, let's just go back and look for battery. Let us tap power consumption ranking. Here we will see the top application that drains our phone's battery. And that is how to see the usage of our apps on Android. If you want to watch more videos like this one, please make sure to support us by liking, sharing, subscribing, or even commenting on the video. And let us know what videos shall we make next time. Thank you for watching.